Hello everybody. Today we are going to discuss about two cement stocks which has potential to give you good returns in future in short term. So let's see the stocks. So let's do a detailed analysis on this stock. So welcome to Invest to Brain. So the first stock on list is Udaipur Cement Works. The current price of Udaipur Cement is 40, and the second stock is Mangalam Cement. Current price of the Mangalam Cement is 455. So let's analyze these both stocks. We will analyze Mangalam Cement first because this stock is more interesting and value for money than Udaipur Cements. We'll analyze this first, then later on we will analyze Udaipur Cements. So let's start. Let's see the returns of the stock first. In 1 year, the stock has given 136% of returns. In 6 months, 99.52% of returns. In 3 months, 66% of returns. In 1 month, 43% of returns. In 1 week, 1.29% of returns. In 1 day, it is down by 2%. So if you'll see past 1 year returns, they are amazing. The stock is performing very good in last 1 year. This 1 year, the stock has performed well. But if you'll see 10 years returns and 5 years, they are not that interesting. They are very low. 2 years is good if you'll see, 3 years is also good, but 4 years if you'll see, 4, 5 and 10 years, the returns are not that interesting. So the stock is performing very good in past 1 year. The stock has performed well. So why this stock is performing well in this past 1 year? There is a reason for that, so we will discuss about that. And this stock has potential to grow in future. This stock might give you good returns in future. So let's see further. Let's do analysis on this stock, how this stock can give you returns, better returns. Let's see the target of this stock. Let's analyze. Mangalam Cement. Let's do analysis on this stock. The company is in northwest player with cement capacity of 4 metric tons, having plants in Morak, Rajasthan and Aligarh, UP. Mangalam markets and sells cement under the brand name of Birla Uttam Cements. Okay. The key markets include Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh, having revenue share of 45, 30, 25 respectively. The company is in the process of increasing its clinker capacity at its existing facility at Morak from 2.3 metric tons to 2.6 metric tons. At a projected cost of 135 crores. So that's a good sign for the investors. The company is planning to increase its production capacity by 2.3 metric tons to 2.6 metric tons. So that's a good sign. Let's see further. Key triggers. Okay, people. Key triggers for future price performance. Upcoming UP elections in 2022 would continue to drive cement demand in UP. So there are elections in 2022 and it would drive cement demand in UP, which contributes nearly 45% of its sales volume. So that's a good sign. The enhanced clinker capacity will aid in increasing the capacity utilization (CU) of its cement plant, which had a CU of 68% against 93% CU of clinker capacity in FY20. The company is eligible for various incentives like interest-free loan from UP government, railway freight rebate under long-term contract, etc. This would continue to provide cost advantage to this company. So that's a good sign. Let's see Q1 FY 2022 results. Mangalam Cement surprised positively on the margin front in Q1 FY 2022, leading to 9.7% growth in profit despite 13.5% quarter-on-quarter drop in revenue. Reported revenue of 355 crores, down by 13.15% quarter-on-quarter, led by sales volume degrowth of 15.6% to 0.76 metric ton. On year-on-year basis, revenues were up by 57.1%. Let's see some fundamentals of the stock. The stock market cap of the stock is 1,215. The stock is currently trading at a PE of 8.99. The PE looks interesting. Return on capital employed is 19.6. Let's see further. PEG ratio is 0.19. So according to PEG ratio, the stock is undervalued. Debt to equity ratio, it is 0.78. It should be below. If it is below 1, then it is a good sign. It is not above 1, so that's a good sign. It is below 1. So that's a nice thing. The debt is not that huge. Earning per share 50.6. Book value is 255. Return on equity is 17.3. So there is a debt, so we have to see return on capital employed. So it is 19.6. So it is good, not bad. Sales growth is 27.3. Price to book value is 1.78. So that's a nice thing. Face value is 10. Dividend yield is 0.22. Profit growth is 139%. Wow. Price to cash flow is 4.75. If you'll see sales of the company in 2016, the sales were 842, and in 2021, the sales are 1,298. So sales are increasing. That's a nice thing. Operating profit margins of the stocks are also nice. It is above 20, so that's a good thing. If you'll see net profit, earlier it was 37, then 11, then minus 10, 76, 109 crores, 135 crores. So if you'll see the net profit, it is increasing, so that's a good sign. If you'll see earning per share too, it was 13, then 4, minus 3, 28, 40 and 50. So the EPS is also increasing, that's a good sign. The company is performing well. The company has reserves of 655 crores. Earlier, in 5 years back, they were 447 crores. So the reserves have also increased. So that's a good thing. Company is having debt of 532. Earlier, in 5 years back, it was 428, almost the same. So but the debt is not that huge. The debt to equity ratio is below 1. So it is understandable. Company is having total assets of 1,842 as of 2021. If you will see cash flow from operating activities, earlier in 2016 it was 75, then 163, then 86, 84, 216, 256. So the operating activities cash is also increasing. That's a good thing. The main promoter of this share is JK Lakshmi Cement. That share is also listed on stock exchanges. You can check it out. This stock's fundamentals are looking good. The stock is performing well, but this is a highly risky stock. So please don't invest directly by listening to me. This is just an educational analysis. Please don't invest directly. Invest with your own risk. The target for this share is 600, and this is easily achievable for this share. The share will achieve 600 easily, but this is not a buying recommendation. Please do your own research, then only invest. I'm not recommending you to buy. If you are buying, don't invest huge amounts because this is highly risky stock. I don't want you to lose your money. If you are investing, then invest a little bit amount of your capital in this stock because this stock is performing well. If you'll see past 2 years. So this is a highly risky stock. Once again, I'm repeating, highly risky stock. Invest with your own risk. I'm not recommending you. Let's move further. Let's see 40 rupees stock, Udaipur Cement. Okay, let's analyze Udaipur Cement Works Limited. Udaipur Cement Works Limited, incorporated on 15th March 1993, has its registered office at Jaipur, Rajasthan. The company presently is a subsidiary of Indian cement manufacturing company JK Lakshmi Cement Limited. So this company is also the subsidiary of JK Lakshmi Cement. In the previous stock, Mangalam Cement, the JK Lakshmi Cement was the main promoter with stake of 72%. So this company is also the subsidiary of JK Lakshmi Cement. Both the companies. Let's see the market cap of this stock. The market cap of this stock is 1,271. PE of this stock is 17.4. Return on capital employed is 16. PEG ratio is 28. So according to PEG ratio, this is undervalued. Debt to equity is 2.50. Earning per share is 2 rupees. Current price is 40. As you can see, book value is 6. Interesting. ROE is 31.4. Sales growth is 30.7. So we have to see return on capital employed. It is 16. So that's a nice thing, not bad. Price to book value is 5.87. Dividend yield, company don't give dividends. Face value is 4. Profit growth is 888%. Wow. Price to cash flow is 6.79. And high and low, as you can see over here, the high was 10. Sorry, the low was 10. The high was 42. Let's see profit and loss statement of this company. If you will see sales from 2014, we have the data. It was 27. Then it is increased to 85 in 2017. And now it is 735. So there is a good jump in sales, as we can see over here. In 2014, it was just 27, and now it is 735. So there is a big jump, as we can see over here. Operating profit margins, if you'll see, it is about 20 for 2 years. So that's a nice thing. And before it was 18. So the operating profit margin also looks attractive. That's a nice thing. If you'll see net profit, from here it was 8, then 3, then minus 43, minus 41, then 16, 55, 66. So the net profit is also increasing consistently for past 3 years. If you'll see, sorry people, if you'll see further, 1 second. If you will see compounded profit growth of 10 years, this is 67%, 5 years it is 62, and 3 years it is 49. So the profit growth is amazing of this company. This stock looks amazing if you'll see the fundamentals. The company has reserves of 64 crores. If you will see over here, earlier it was 9. So the reserves are also increasing. That's a nice thing. The debt on this company is huge. That is a negative sign for this company. If you'll see, it is above 500. So if you will see the debt to equity ratio, it is above 2, and the debt is very huge on this company. Okay people, the debt is very huge. It is above 2. The debt to equity ratio is above 2. If you will compare both the stocks, Mangalam Cement and this Udaipur Cement, Mangalam Cement looks more better stock because it has debt to equity ratio below 1, and this stock has above 2. It should be 1 or below 1, and the debt on this company is very huge, if you will see. So I will not recommend this stock to my viewers because this stock is highly risky. Highly means highly. If you don't care about your money, if you have a lot of money and you don't care if that money gets lost, also means that money gets get lost also, then you can invest a little bit of amount to see how it works. I will not recommend you this stock because this stock has huge debt. A lot of YouTubers are suggesting this stock. I don't know why. They're just doing that for views. They are earning money from ads, people. You guys are going to lose your money if you will invest in this kind of stocks. Okay, this stock, I can guarantee you in next 3 months also this stock will give you good returns. Okay, because all the stocks in this bull run are running. All the garbage stocks are also running. They are giving 100% returns, 300% of returns. Garbage stocks of 10 rupees, 20 rupees. Garbage. I'm seeing garbage stocks because I don't know what's happening, but this is a bubble. When this bubble is going to burst now, a lot of people are going to understand what is a real stock market is. A lot of people have come to market in this COVID era. Okay, in this COVID era, a lot of people have entered. They don't know how stock market works. They have not seen the 2008 crash. They have only seen the markets going up, up, up. They have not seen the market going down, down, down. When the market bubble bursts now, it is going to burst. I don't know when. No one can tell you that, but it is going to burst one day. And when it is going to burst now, a lot of people are going to a lot of people will go to depression. A lot of people are going to cry because if you see, when I see YouTube now, what to say, man, these people. A lot of YouTubers are suggesting garbage stock like penny stocks. Why you people have penny stocks, people? 40 rupees stock. If you want cement stock, go and buy ACC cement. Okay, that stock is better than this. Okay, if this stock moves 30% and that stock also moves 30%, you are going to get the same profit. Penny stock is not going to give you extra return because this price is low. This is a myth a lot of people are having, that if you will buy penny stock, if you on that returns are, if you get better returns. It is not like that. Okay, people, I will not recommend you this stock, but if you have extra money which you are ready to lose, invest the money which you are ready to lose. Don't invest if that money is important for you. Okay, this stock is very risky. I don't want you to lose your money. So invest the money which you are ready to lose, because this stock will give you returns. Definitely, this stock is going to give you returns in the next 3 months. In this short term, this stock is going to give you returns. In long term, nobody knows. As I think, this will not give you good returns in long term. But in short term, this will give you good returns. But it is highly risky. I'll say don't invest. Invest in some good stocks. Don't listen to these YouTubers. When this stock will crash, nobody knows. Like, this is going to crash one day, I'll say. But when all the garbage stocks are giving good returns in this bull run, but this is going to burst one day. So invest in good stocks first. Then if you have extra money, if you want to take high risk and if you are ready to lose your money, then invest in this kind of stocks. I will not recommend you. This is not a buying recommendation. Please do your own research and buy the stocks. I'm just showing you the reality. There are a lot of stocks on which I'm going to show you the reality. So let's analyze this stock first. Okay. Let's see cash flow from operating activities. The cash flow from operating activities looks good. You will see 54, 24, 66, 113, 187. Okay, people, let's see the shareholding pattern of this company. The promoters were having 74.95% of stake in 2018 and now it is 72.54. They have slightly decreased the quantity, so that's a negative sign. FIIs were 0.10 and they have slightly decreased 0.9. DIIs were 0.38, 0.23. The public 24.56. Public have increased their stake 27.14. So people, FIIs, DIIs, this foreign institutional investors and DIIs, they have high expert people. They know when to invest and when to exit. You guys don't know when to exit. When these people will exit and book the profits, you guys will never know. You guys will never know this. So please invest with caution. Like, invest carefully. You never know when you will lose your money. The stocks are giving good returns of 100% since past 1 year. If you see 5 years data, they are not giving that huge returns. For short term, this stock is good. If you are investing for short term, you can go for this, but very little amount which you are ready to lose. I will not recommend. You do your own research. Okay, let's move further. Okay, let's see returns of this stock. The stock has given 156% of returns in 5 years. 4 years it is down by 17. 3 years it is 122. 2 years it is 193. 1 year it is 303%. This is what I would say. 6 months it is 78. 3 months it is 87. In 1 month it is 37. In 1 week it is 11. And in 1 day it is 1.49. So the stock is giving good returns in short term. This stock is good for short term, but you should know when to exit. If you are good at it, then you can go for this, but invest with caution, carefully, the money which you are ready to lose. And this is not a buying recommendation. This is a highly risky stock, so highly risky stocks I don't suggest you guys. If you are expert in this, you can go for this, but if you are a beginner, you should avoid this kind of stocks. Don't be selfish for returns. Like, don't invest by seeing these returns. You never know when these returns will turn to, like, what to say, man. So do your own research and invest. I will not recommend you this stock. So, and I don't recommend stocks at all. Do your own research. And people, that's all for this video. I'll meet you all in the next video. Bye bye. And if you like my content, then please do give a like and subscribe. I'm going to analyze more stocks. I'm going to show you the reality of more stocks, and I'm going to show you some good stocks also in which you can invest. I will recommend you that stocks. Good stocks I recommend, bad stocks I don't. Highly risky stocks I don't. I don't want my audience to lose their money. Until then, bye bye people. I'll meet you all in the next video. Bye bye.